Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3150 or 3100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. This printer is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network and also using Canon Print app on Android phone. So to reset the printer to factory default setting, you need to select this setup menu button to number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will show you number 11 on the screen. Then select copy black or copy color to proceed. So press black once and you wait. The light will be highlighting, and also you need to keep an eye. It's gone off on the screen. The printer is now showing us offline. And if you look, you will see that the printer is no longer connected to wireless network. So this is how to reset this printer to factory default setting. And to connect the printer, you need to press that red button and follow the instruction to reconnect the printer to a network. So this is how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. This printer is Canon TX3150 or 3100 series. So this is factory reset guide. Thank you very much indeed.